Have you ever looked at your lawn in spring and thought, why does my neighbor's grass look so green while mine looks tired and dull? Let me tell you something shocking. The secret to a bright green spring lawn has nothing to do with what you do in spring. It's what happens right now in October. And if you think lawn care season is over, you're already losing the game before winter even begins.
Here's a question.
What if I told you that the real battle for a beautiful lawn happens when the temperature starts to drop, not rise? Most people stop paying attention when the leaves start falling. They put the mower away, roll up the hose, and forget about their grass. But that's the biggest mistake you could make this year, because under that quiet layer of green, your lawn is still alive. It's breathing, growing roots, and preparing to face the cold months ahead. And if you don't help it now, you'll pay for it later with dead patches and weak, lifeless grass in spring. So, what's the first thing you should do? I'll tell you, but first you need to understand this: the soil under your feet is choking. Every time you walk, mow, or even let kids play, it gets more compact. Roots can't breathe, and nutrients can't reach where they need to go. That's why the very first secret of October lawn care is aeration. Aeration is like opening tiny doors for air and water to move deep into the soil. Once you do it, your lawn literally comes back to life. You can rent a small aerator or even do it manually if your yard is small. The results are worth every second. But wait, don't rush ahead just yet, because there's one step that beginners almost always skip, and it's the reason they never see thick, lush grass next year. Let me ask you this. Have you ever seen lawns that look full and even, while yours has thin, dry patches that never grow right? The secret difference is overseeding. Right after aeration, while the soil is open, sprinkle new grass seed. October's cool air and warm ground create the perfect mix for those seeds to grow. It's like giving your lawn a second chance before winter hits. Choose high-quality, cool-season grass, like fescue or bluegrass, if you live in the northern states. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They seed, maybe fertilize, and then stop watering. They assume the rain will take care of it. But here's the truth. Grass seed is like a newborn baby. It needs care every single day until it's strong enough to survive the cold. Water lightly every day for the first 2 weeks, then every other day until frost sets in. If you do that, you're already way ahead of 80% of homeowners. But hang on, we're not done yet. Because there's something else quietly destroying your grass every fall, and most people don't even notice it until it's too late. Look around your yard right now. See those leaves covering the ground? They might look harmless, but they block sunlight and trap moisture. That creates mold, disease, and dead spots that kill your grass from underneath. So, here's what to do. Don't just rake them away, mulch them. Run your mower over the leaves and chop them into small pieces. Those pieces will naturally feed your soil over winter. You're basically turning trash into nutrients. Now, get ready for another surprise, because there's one more step that makes the biggest difference of all. But most people never do it because they've never heard of it. Want to know what it is? Spread a thin layer of compost or organic mulch over your lawn before the first frost. It acts like a cozy blanket for your soil, locking in warmth and feeding it slowly through the cold months. When spring comes, your grass will explode with color, not just green, but deep, rich, healthy green that feels soft under your feet. And here's something else to think about. You've done all the work: aerated, overseeded, fertilized, watered, and mulched, but how you finish the season matters too. Don't cut the grass too short before winter. Keep it around 3 inches tall. Too short, and frost will burn it. Too long, and you'll invite mold. That perfect middle height protects the roots and helps the grass breathe. Now let's close with a quick question. Do you want to walk on dry, patchy ground next spring? Or do you want to step barefoot on a soft green carpet that makes your neighbors ask, "What's your secret?" The answer starts now in October. Take one weekend, follow these steps, and watch your lawn come back stronger than ever. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment saying green lawn, and don't forget to subscribe because next week I'm sharing the 3 winter lawn care mistakes that can destroy even the healthiest grass. You don't want to miss that.